What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Steve Plays 42. And today I'm going to do a video on what would happen if you put a sour gummy worm in the microwave. So, what are you doing? So, yeah, I just get like a couple gummy worms and then you put it in the microwave, and I just don't know what happens. So, you don't know what happens. And they're going to go in the microwave, and poor wormies. Poor worms. They're so sad. But, okay, how much seconds should I put it in? 30? 30 seconds. Okay. Should I pause the video? Oh, it doesn't. Just seeing if it does anything. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? It's a big gummy worm!
Looks like
Whoa. Okay.
Touch it. Okay, the plate might be hot.
No one would have thought this was a gummy worm being burnt. They would have just thought this was some kind of paint. Okay, that is weird.
Is it hard?
Touch, no.
It will be.
Time to eat it.
Ew, no, that'll make you sick.
No, a little bit.
Okay, well, okay.
It's just 3 gummy worms. Yeah. Actually, I don't like it. Alright, so yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And this is going to turn into a series, but my fingers are sticky. But it's going to turn into a series anyway. So, bye guys. Now, I'll cook more things in the microwave, if so.